Destiny, and this is Astro, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And on this channel we talk about topics such as business, entrepreneurship, and side hustles. So if those topics interest you, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And as you can see, I have a special guest today, and my special guest is Astro. Astro is a business robot from Amazon. So y'all know I was excited when Amazon reached out to me to collab with them on this project. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling y'all everything Astro can do for your business. So let's go ahead and get to it and put Astro to the test. Meet Astro for Business, a mobile security robot that helps monitor up to 5,000 square feet with the HD night vision periscope camera to give you eyes in more places, reduce your blind spots, and see around corners. Astro is designed to give customers eyes in their business 24/7, even after they've gone home for the night. You can use the Astro app to check into your business from anywhere with a live view, move Astro throughout your business, and communicate with two-way talk. With a virtual security guard subscription, virtual guards will be notified of potential intrusions, and they can use Astro to investigate, deter unwanted activity, and request emergency services all in real time. The virtual security guard subscription is sold separately. With a trial duration of 30 days, Astro Secure and Ring Protect Pro subscriptions, you can schedule and customize patrols to safeguard areas with high value alerts and get alerted to an unrecognized person, the sound of breaking glass, smoke and carbon monoxide alarms, and more. Astro Secure and Ring Protect Pro subscriptions are sold separately. Astro is a new market device that can map up to 5,000 square feet and is eligible for a subscription to the virtual security guard. Astro for Business is a unique value prop of being able to reduce your blind spots and see around corners. Astro for Business is designed to give customers eyes on their business 24/7, even after they've gone home from the night. So this is my favorite part of the day, is where I get to go home and just chill and relax. And the best part about it is now I have a peace of mind. Because one of the most nerve-wracking things that you can think about is when you're going home, you might be sitting back, cooking dinner, watching TV. Now that you have an Astro robot, if something goes on, you're going to have your Ring alarm set up to where if they do get an alert, you're just going to send Astro to investigate. And the best thing about Astro is that you can watch Astro investigate. You can pull up the camera, follow Astro to the point of danger to see what exactly is going on. Is it a fire? Is it an intruder? Whatever it is, Astro is going to see it. You can use the face-to-face feature on Astro to where you can actually talk to the person. Like you can see, are they lost? Are they looking for something? So that's what I love about Astro. It's not face-to-face contact. So it's just like FaceTime, but just like you are actually talking to this person, because you never know. And while you're doing this, like we already said in the video, they have the virtual security feature to where that virtual security guard is automatically watching your business. So they're making sure nothing is going wrong. So when you come home, you're truly home from work, you're home from your business, and you can just shut everything down and just wait for your alerts. If you're paranoid like me, you might be waking up in the middle of the night. Just like to check the camera, see what's going on. And Astro is going to make sure it hits all those blind spots. So while you're doing your patrols, you can just chill, catch up on your shows, go out with friends, because now you're not wasting time and trying to be a security guard for your business and trying to own it, do your work, relax. All of that is just too much. So that's why I recommend just getting the Astro for Business, because it makes life and your business a whole lot easier. So now that you've seen all that Astro can do, you can shop on Amazon and pick up your own Astro for Business, or click the link in my description setting, and that way it will take you directly to the product page. And thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them in the comment section below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and check me out on all my social media channels. Peace.